In this video, we're going to solve this radical equation, and this time we have a radical on one side and an expression on the other. So I've already got the radical isolated, so I know I get to square both sides. The tricky part is when I square the right side, I've now created a binomial expression that I've squared. So I am going to cancel these. So x plus 11 equals. This here means when I have squared, that means I need to write it twice and I need to FOIL it. So x times x would be x squared. X times negative 1 would be negative x, and I have two of those, which gives me negative 2x, and then negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. I ended up with a quadratic, which means I need to get it equal to 0 to solve. So I'm going to bring this x over to the other side. When I do that, I've got 2x minus x would give me negative 3x. I'm going to bring over the 11, so 1 minus 11 would be negative 10. And now I'm equal to 0. And get out my good old magic x. And find two numbers that multiply to negative 10 and add to negative 3, which are going to be 5 and 2 with the 5 negative. So I get 0 equals x minus 5 times x plus 2. I split it up using the zero product property. And then I get x equals 5 and x equals negative 2. I do need to go back to my original. So I'm going to kind of erase here. I'm going to go back to my original and substitute in to see if I have extraneous solutions. So really what I'm looking for is to see if this side here ends up being a negative. When I put a 5 in there, I get a positive. So I'm confident that the 5 is a good answer. When I put the 2 in, I get negative 2 minus 1 equals negative 3. I know I cannot have a radical equal to a negative, so this answer is extraneous.